Good morning, class. Welcome to day 4 of your 2-point perspective unit. This video will discuss today's task list and the assignments that need to be completed. Just a reminder, your learning goal is to create a complex drawing by using linear 2-point perspective rules. Not only do the shapes of the buildings and angles of the buildings need to follow 2-point perspective, but please note that the interior details and any exterior details like other subjects or structures, everything must follow 2-point perspective where all angles go back to their proper vanishing points as needed. And then your central question is, how does 1-point and 2-point perspective help the viewer better understand the dynamics of various spaces? And what this question is asking you to pull on your understanding of last year's 1-point perspective drawings and this year's 2-point perspective drawings, as they both fall into the category of linear perspective. So essentially, how does linear perspective, that technique of having a horizon line in at least one vanishing point, if not two, how does linear perspective help the viewer better understand space? And the answer is, it makes the space look real because it's adding depth. Adding those vanishing points forces the lines to converge and get smaller as they go backwards and get larger as they come closer to the viewer. So the vanishing points create depth. It creates a sense of realism and creates a perspective that the viewer would see in everyday life had they been looking down a city street or been standing at a city intersection where the buildings split each way, depending on what kind of perspective you're creating. But again, the answer is that it creates depth. It makes the artwork seem real. Your vocabulary word for today is vanishing point, or really vanishing points, because we have 2 vanishing points. This is important to revisit this word because even though it's one of the first things we learned about in this unit, it is essential to this assignment, and it's good to look back on this and remind ourselves why this word is so important and what purpose it plays in the assignment specifically. So this leads me to your task list. So first, you're just going to watch the vanishing points video. This will help you with today's entrance ticket questions. Please watch that. It's only about 2 or 3 minutes. Then you're going to complete your entrance ticket, your day 4 entrance ticket. All the answers are in the video above. You will answer what are vanishing points and how do the vanishing points create a sense of depth to the viewer. I just basically discussed this second question in your central question, but again, that answer is also in the video above. All right, so once you're done doing your entrance ticket and watching the video, all you're going to do is continue working on your final project today and submit a photo of your progress to the day 4 student progress. And I will scroll down. I just want to note that in your materials list, you should see color pencils now. At this point, some of you are finishing the details of your buildings, maybe not, but some of you are, and you are also required to finish this project in color with color pencils. So please make sure you're pacing yourself so that you can save the last 2 or 3 days to color, because it is common for students to start off very strong with a very strong line drawing, but then they rush the coloring job for time, but then they almost ruin the project that they worked so hard to create from the beginning. So please make sure you finish as strong as you start, and please make sure you don't get yourself to the point where you feel backed into a corner for time and you need to speed it up. Because I would actually rather you hand it in late and have it be a better quality work with color than for anybody to rush it. So just be keeping the objective of color in your mind as it is required for your final project. All right, that's all I have for today. Please make sure at the end of this video you watch the vanishing points video and complete your entrance ticket. And I look forward to seeing your progress today and seeing how your drawings are coming to life. Please message me if you have any questions. Otherwise, I will talk to you soon in the vanishing points video. Okay, bye everyone.